Let's finish up our About screen. We're going to use the rest of the screen here, so we need to use a layout. Now in this case we're going to use a vertical scrolling arrangement so that we can have more text than will fit on the screen at one time, so people can just scroll through and read it. That allows us to make the font larger and easier to read as well. So I'm going to drag vertical scrolling arrangement here and rename it and leave the word scroll in there. And this one is going to be for our About label. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and change this height to fill parent and the width to fill parent. So if we decide to use less or more up here, this will get bigger or smaller, but it is a scrolling arrangement, so it's really infinitely long. We'll go back to our user interface, and as we used in Hello Cody, we just need to show some text on the screen. It's not really interactive. We can drag it right over there, and we'll do the same thing. We'll have it fill the parent and fill the parent. Let's rename that because this is a label in which we are going to put About. Now where is About? Well, it's on your portfolio. Here is my About page. I'm going to simply take this text and copy it, and then go back to my tutorial here and paste it where? Well, it's down here in this little tiny box. Now, even if we make this box bigger, this is not an ideal location for editing the text. That's why we write it, spell check it, then we copy and paste. I'm going to backspace 1 there, and I don't expect you to read that here. I expect you to then click away, and you can see it. And just know that this isn't what it's going to look like on the device usually. Let's go ahead and give this a font size, I don't know, maybe 50. This may look enormous here, but I want you to notice that this is a phone size, and it's very low resolution. It's a very old phone size. So if you look at tablet size and you try to scroll it, it's not going to work here, only on the tablet that it's attached there. And really that tablet, even though it's an older tablet, it's more like this resolution right here. So it's just barely going to go off the screen, but that'll let us scroll through and read quite a bit of text.